good morning. Akash Sharma here from RAVAN Indicator. Right, you can see here the RAVAN is sitting in between me. So we'll discuss the new updates. We'll discuss the how exactly the indicator is working. How you want to you need to verify the conditions before you enter for specific trade, how to verify the sideways market, how to verify the trend, current market trend, right? We discuss each and everything, how to use target entry, target stop loss, right? Even what conditions exact match, then only you have to enter the trade. We'll discuss each and everything in this video, right? Video will be little bit bigger, but I request you to watch. If you are serious to use this specific strategy, watch the full video. And this indicator is very cheap rate doesn't matter. I value for code, right? I value for code what I have developed. Okay, so this lifetime access, right? You'll get future updates in this as well, right? So before I start this video, I would request that if you are new to TradingView and using this application, whenever you ask, ask for the new indicator, or if you want to purchase this specific indicator, I will be asking you for TradingView username. So where to find TradingView username is like once you go to this section, if you are aware, like this is the section, menu section. Once you go there, once you click on menu section, just a second. Once you click on menu section, you will see this scroll, this pop up. In this, you will be finding this. This is my username, TG Booster. It's my username. Your username will be different, right? So you have to fill the form for this username. Make sure you enter this username, as on basis of that only I can give you the full access for this indicator, RAVAN indicator. Okay, so now let's see how to apply the indicator. I'm just removing, ignore this rest of the indicators. I'm just removing this indicator from the chart. Now let's after giving you the access where to find the indicator, though, you have to go to the indicator section. Then you'll find this invite only script option. Once you go to the invite only scripts, you will find two indicator, one RAVAN 2.0. You have to click on that. The indicator will apply on the chart, and second TGADX 2.0. Once you apply these two indicator, both the indicator will be applied on the chart, right? And these are the basic features. There is no any support resistance, there is no any EMA activated yet. It is having in default settings, I can say. Let me show you the default settings. It depends on you how to use. If you it's optional, right? So this is the input section. Once you go to the input section, if you want to trade on the basis of previous day high, previous day low, or previous day close, you have to check mark on this option. You have to go to the indicator settings and then inputs. You have to check mark this section, show previous day high, low, close. Once you check mark, there will be three lines plotted over here. You can see this 1, 2 and rest. These 1, 2 and 3 lines, right? What these lines indicate: previous day high, previous day low and previous day close, right? These are the settings for that previous day high, low and close. So it depends on you. How, if you want to activate, you can click on here, it will be applied on the chart. If you want to not use this previous day high, low, you can uncheck this. Default, it will be unchecked. Rest next is show EMAs. Once you click on show EMA, there will be 3 EMA plotted on the chart: 7, 21 and 50. There will be 3 EMA. This is also optional. If anyone wants to use single EMA, that is also you can use. If you want to use 3 EMA, 9, 21, 50, or depends, 5, 3, 3, 5 and 15, you can customize it as per your own requirement. Just you have to edit this 7 to 5, 3, depends on your requirement, right? So default I have kept 7, 21 and 50. You can customize from your end as well, right? So once you click on this show EMA, it will come over here. There is no any different indicator you need to apply on the chart. This is default. Okay, now next is like support resistance zones. So if you want to use support resistance zones, you have to click on this SR on off. Once you click on SR on off, The support resistance zones will be plotted on the chart. These are the support resistance zones, right? You can see these red lines, upper red lines are the resistance line, and below green lines are the support lines. Okay, sorry. So this is also optional. If you want to use this indicator with support resistance, it depends on you how you use it, right? So you can see the sell position is already activated yesterday, right? And it's going on. It is already achieved after entry. You'll get, basically you'll get entry in next candle confirmation only. Same candle, there may be entry exit, but once this candle, first candle will close, your entry will be confirmed from next candle. You'll just get this entry, target, stop loss zones in next candle only. Okay, after next candle you have to entry over here once next candle open, and this will be a target 1, target 2, and target 3. If you are a beginner, I can tell you, like, you have to go with this settings, right? And if you are a pro user, I mainly recommend support resistance zones, guys, right? That will be very helpful to, find the next resistance zone, next support zone, based on price action. You can exit your trade, entry your trade accordingly using the support resistance zones, right? For beginner, I mainly recommend use this stop loss and entry funda, right? For TP1, it's fine. If you want to proceed your trades further, I would request you to use this support resistance zones, at that it will help you for better entry and exit, right? With this, you will find this table in the side, right? In mobile, if you want to deactivate this table, there is an option. Once you go to the settings here, show dashboard, once you click on here, it will be disabled, right? And this is also customizable for if you want to top right, middle right, bottom right, middle, center. It is fully customizable. Even size is also customizable. It's normal now. You can click, if you are on desktop, you can click on large, it will automatically convert in the large. And once you click on normal, it will come as a normal. Okay, fine. So this table is basically show you the current position. What's current position is sell, right? Volume, right? Here there are the separate time frame, 1 minute to daily time frame, that will totally indicate you what is the current trend going on in different time, uh, time frames. Accordingly you can make your position strong. If you see everywhere bearish, that will be a very strong trend. You can go for a short position, right? And now it's already sold position is there. It has already, reached the TP3. It depends on you. If you want to carry forward your trade, you can carry forward your trade, right, as book your profit. If you have to wait for the tomorrow market, is bank nifty chart, you have to wait for the tomorrow market, means Monday market. Once it break this support line, you can go for a short again, right, as market sentiment is still negative, right? On bigger time frame, it's positive, but mostly I prefer that market will open gap down and then market will be bounce back, right? So this is the time frame, multiple time frame. It shows the bearishness and bullishness, right? It will be helpful for, making the perfect entry and perfect, exit for using this indicator, right? And here you can see, like, buy, sell. Buy means indicate that long, short position signals, you can see, and with entry, target, stop loss. Now let's see, once you get a signal, how to verify it, how to, make the position accordingly. I'm just hiding this support resistance zones to make it chart clear as of now. To understand these conditions, let me explain you now. Okay, so you can see this support indicator which I am using, that is TGADX, right? 2.0. In this, you can see this gray zone. Gray zone indicate, guys, market sideways, right? Whenever you see this RSI line, this is of RSI plotting. 60-40 plotting is there. Okay, so once you see this RSI purple line in this gray area, that indicates mostly there will be a sideways market. You can see here is also sideways market. So during sideways market, if you get any signal, please avoid that signal. I will also explain you how to use this ADX. Below is the ADX lines. These three lines are ADX lines, right? I will also explain this ADX line. So now first, I already told like this RSI line should be below, for short position it should be below 40 area, right? This purple line should be in 40 area, and if you are going for the buy trade, it should be above 60 or above 50, right? Above 50, if you see the line, you can go for a specific trade, and if you get any signal, buy signal or sell signal, you can enter in the specific trade. And for exit, I mainly recommend you for using, as I told you, as per price action, use support resistance. That is must for pro users. For beginner, you can exit till target one, but still, if you are beginner or pro or intermediate, please use support resistance. It will chop up your chart, but it will really helpful for making a perfect entry and exit, right? If you want to increase your accuracy, you should use this support resistance zones. Okay, so this is the entry, right? You can see this short position, it's in gray area, so do not enter in specific signal, right? Please avoid that type of signals that will harm your uh, specific money. So now let's understand this ADX below these three lines. These three lines indicate like this green line indicate you buy momentum, a red line indicate you sell momentum, and this yellow line is common ADX line, right? When you see this yellow line below 20, this is the 20 baseline. You can see this horizontal line, this is the 20 baseline, right? If you see yellow line below 20, that indicates the sideways market. But now let me explain you how to confirm the bullish trend and how to confirm bearish trend. We'll first understand the bearish trend. You can see here, this is the red line. When you see this red line above this 20 line, red line above 20 line, there will be a sell momentum. And if you see a yellow line above 20 line, like yellow and red, that indicate strong sell momentum, right? But at the same duration, you have to see that key green line should be below 20 or crossover. There should be crossover and facing downwards. If green line is facing downwards, that indicate that buy trend is going slow and sell trend is going up, right? Sell trend momentum has started. Once you see this green line below, there will be no any buy momentum. Once you see this green line above 20 and red line below 20, you can see the buy momentum, right? Now let's understand how to indicate the sideways market using ADX. For RSI, as I already told, in between this gray zone, once you see this purple line, that indicates the sideways, right? So now let's understand how to confirm the sideways using ADX. In ADX, you can see this green and red line, right? And yellow line. Yellow line, as already told, once you see this yellow line below this 20 zone, that will be a sideways market. But once you see this green and red line parallel to 20, parallel to 20, 21, 22, or means 19 or 18, parallel, if you see these lines are moving together, that indicates the sideways market. These are the zones. You can see this whole zone is sideways. It's moving nearby, like, right? So this indicates sideways. Next, if you see this red and green line above 20, if you see this red line or green line above 20, see guys, here I'm showing you the example, live example. You can see here, and if I will also make a separate video on this ADX, but this is the confirmation zone you have to check. It's normal, right? Gray zone sideways, signal ignore karna hai, right? Sorry, it's English video. So like as you saw here, so be above 20, if you see green and red line above 20 or green or red line below 20, this you can see here below 20, above 20 or parallel, these three conditions are sideways for ADX. Guys, if many people are thinking that why I have used RSI here, right? So in some cases you will see ADX is giving momentum, but RSI is under this gray zone. So in that condition, there will be no market sideways, right? So for dual confirmation, for sideways confirmation, I use it, this RSI. I have added this RSI indicator in this itself, right? And trading you feature, if you are aware, you can use only two indicators. So for two indicator, RSI, ADX I have combined, so you can confirm your trades accordingly. So I hope this is understood by you, how to use specific indicator, how to confirm the trend and everything, right? And you can use this indicator on any market. It's Bank Nifty index, right? It's XAUSD, you can see 30-minute time frame, and here you can see the sideways, right? Sideways trend, you can see 20 above trend. So this is the trend, this is also trend, you can see this is a trend, right? So you can catch up this moment. You can see here now you got a buy signal, right? Here you can see this red momentum is coming down and green momentum is facing upwards, and you can see here this RSI is also facing upward, and this yellow line is still above 20, so that means market is still bullish. So Monday market, you can see the bullishness in this continuity, right? Target one you can easily reach. Let's see, let me apply this support resistance zones here, so at least you can uh, get the idea. so so here's the long signal is already there, right? Entry, it has already shown 2038, and this support zone has already broken, right? So you can expect this as a target. This is the line, 2152, you can take it as a target for Monday, right? First target. Else you can exit on TP1, you can exit on TP1. This is 30-minute time frame, guys. Okay, so this is my prediction, and I'm damn sure it will all means reach this level on Monday, right? So guys, using my indicator, once you get a good command, I definitely assure you, you can predict the market, what will be the market future, what will be the trend, each and everything you can predict from your end, right? And guys, again let me tell you, if you do not get any confirmations, please do not enter the trade, ignore that signal, right? In market there are many sellers, they just sell the indicator, they do not tell you even how to use the indicator, how to confirm the trades, right? So I'm here to tell you each and everything. Still, after buying this indicator, if you feel any doubt, right, any confusion, any questions, guys, now let's understand the concept of alert, which we are getting, how to set the alerts for strategy alerts specifically from TradingView. We'll discuss that. Okay, now for that you have to go to the alert section, right? Once you click on alert section, you will find this pop-up window. Here in condition, you have to click on the indicator, RAVAN indicator, right? Once you click on RAVAN indicator, you will find this default code. You have to keep it as it is. Here you have to keep open-ended alert, right? And just hit on create button. Once you hit on create button, the strategy alert will be set, right? If you want normal, like once the long signal comes and then you have to set the signal, but I won't recommend, always go with next candle confirmation, right? But if you want that, you can go with that as well. Here once you click on this alert function call, here you can select buy signal and sell signal, separate alert you can set. But if you have a free trading account and you want to set the strategy alerts, you can click on this, just select the indicator and create the alert. Once you create the alert, the alert will be created and it will come in the alert log. You can see XUSD, I've just set the alert. Okay, so my indicator works on all the time frame. Once you have to cancel, you can click on cancel. Yes. Okay, so my indicator works on all the time frame, all the markets. You can cover all the markets, entry, I mean, I can say index, commodity, crypto, forex, all markets, all trading view charts. You can use my indicators, right? Just follow the condition. You need to just follow the condition, how the condition matches. If the conditions are matching, you can enter for the trade and you'll get almost 85 to 90% accuracy, guys. Okay, so please follow the code, right? Accuracy you will get definitely. Okay, any confusion, this is my direct number, and you will find in the scrolling text. You can call me anytime, right? And one thing I forgot to remind, like explain, you will see these two lines, red and green. These are auto trade lines that will help you to identify the specific trend. You can see here the buy signal got, here it got the resistance, right? And based on resistance, it has plotted the triangle. You can see it's falling, means falling wedge pattern, right? So you can see the all the patterns depends on the market. It will set uh, the patterns accordingly. You can see it's also the pattern creating the pattern. Once this pattern breaks, you will find another pattern, right? Once this pattern, you will find the breakout अगर हो जाता है, like once the trend is break, you will find another, alert. It's a Reliance chart. You can see, right? It's Indian market, but you can use for international market as well. But here you can see there is a long signal created, right, on 5 minute time frame, and you will see all the markets are bullish at moment. So Monday you will find good bullish momentum in Reliance. Okay, fine. So I hope everything is understood, guys. Right? Any confusion, you can call me on my number. Okay, thank you, and proceed the video next. I hope this everything whatever I have explained is understood to you. Still, if you have any confusion, feel free to call me. This is my direct number. You can WhatsApp me anytime. I hope everything is clear now, and thanks for watching this full video. And I would recommend you can suggest this indicator to your friends, relatives, anywhere, right? If you want to purchase this indicator, I'm sending you the link in the description. You can click on the link description and you can purchase the indicator. And if you are not unable to, if you get any error or something, I will share my number as well. You can call me anytime and ask for the payment link and purchase. Okay, and this indicator I have recently updated, means few minutes back, like in half an hour ago, I have updated this indicator full fledged, and fewer multiple updates you will be getting in coming months, right? If you still using this indicator, if you are the older user of this RAVAN, if you have any suggestions to add on in this indicator, I'll be most happy to add this feature, your suggestion, and that will be help me as well as my customers. Okay, fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, thanks for your time. Okay, thank you.